Yeah. That's because come on, it's so cute. Don't put this on here. Don't put. Hold on. Not to this. Oh, this looks stupid. Yeah, I'm still posting. It's I'm trying to find something to do. I just can't do anything. So I don't have anything. So that was it. That was it. It's only these three. Don't get this one because this one staying in my house, and I'm not letting it stay in my house. I'll probably try this one so I can see how long it takes to stay in it. So these are the colors that I use. Not all the time. I use this. This is my first time using this one. I use it all the time. Like this. So once the end of the video, I will be posting. And make sure you follow my TikTok. Don't do that. And let me grab some videos. So we'll post that. Still, subscribe and like and go to my TikTok. I need to put that in. Love y'all.